So what up guys, in this series of video we're going to create a low poly truck simulator. So I'll start by creating our folder for my assets just to organize things a little bit. So earlier on I've imported my truck model. So in this series of video I will try to use primitives, godot primitives to make the environment of the game. So here I'm starting by making my main scene, and I will be adding a mesh instance as a child to create some ground or level floor. So I'm going to use a plain mesh. I'm going to resize the plane to 250 by 250. Save my scene at the scene folder. I'm gonna create a tri-mesh static body for this mesh or our ground. Add another scene, create a special node as a root. Then in this scene I'll rename it to tree. So we are going to create our pine tree using our primitives. So for this, I'm going to create a mesh, a cylinder mesh. Duplicate it, rotate it, just fiddle around with it, scale it down. Box selected, and move it slightly higher so that it can leave a space for our trunk. Just going to duplicate our leaves, change our mesh to a box. Then we are going to make our material unique so that we can change the albedo properties to dark brown color for our trunk, for our tree trunk. we save our tree, then save our tree. So in this tree, then do another tree with a different shape. So as well, I'll be using primitives. So I think I'm going to just timeline the process. So I'm just going to add a special node, rename it as tree base. So I will instant my tree mesh on this special node. Then all that is left is to reposition the tree and scale it. Scale them a little bit. Make some small tweaks. So I'm adding this box so that I can scale relative to that box to kind of see the measurements. So basically I'm using that box as a size reference. So I'm just going to pop out this box. Let's just duplicate this trace just to populate this with trace. And also you can use the page down to snap your objects to the floor. As you can see, I'm moving up the trees and hitting the page down key. My tree will cut halfway the plane. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will set up our track and our trail.